You are now tuned into Digital Dive with Homes for Heroes.
Launching paid media. Activating Facebook advertising. Engaging promoting posts.
Hello everyone, I'm Seth Jessica, the Emerging Media Manager at Homes for Heroes. Thank you for tuning into another episode of Digital Dive with Homes for Heroes, where we provide you digital marketing tutorials to help you grow your real estate or mortgage lending business. And on today's episode, I'm going to explain why using the boost button to promote your Facebook post is not the wisest use of your advertising dollars. And I'm going to show you an alternative method that I believe is much more effective for promoting your Facebook posts. So just so we're all on the same page and you know the exact boost button that I'm referencing in today's episode, if you go to your Facebook business page and on the majority of your Facebook posts, you'll see this boost button located on the lower right-hand side. And this boost button is strategically placed to encourage and entice us to invest our advertising dollars to generate more reach and engagement with our Facebook posts. Now, if you do a Google search on the Facebook boost button and whether you should be using it to promote your posts, you're going to get a mixed bag of results. There's going to be people who are going to strongly advise against you using the boost button, and there's going to be people who share the success that they've had using the boost button. Now, I'm not here to knock on anybody's success. If you're using the boost button and you're finding success in it, I would say stick with what you're finding success in. However, I'm going to ask you to simply just consider this alternative method and try it out. See if you can't generate some additional success using this alternative method. But before we get into the steps of using this alternative method and how to set up this alternative method, I just want to quickly take a look at the advertising options that are available to you through the boost button and why I believe it is so limiting to your advertising efforts. Now, if you go to your Facebook business page and locate a Facebook post with the boost post button on the bottom right, and you click that, you'll be presented with these advertising options, which are broken down into three categories: objective, audience, and duration and budget. And each one of these has their own limitations. So if we start with objective, we are provided with three marketing objectives: send people to our website purchases, which is similar to conversions in Facebook Ads Manager, and then post engagements. Now, the only reason why I'm provided the option to send people to my website is because I'm promoting a Facebook post with a link to the Homes for Heroes website in it. This is a blog post that we are promoting on Facebook, and that's why we are being presented with the option to send people to our website through the boosted post option. So, the send people to your website is limiting in terms of the fact that we can only optimize our Facebook ad campaign based on link clicks. Now, because this is a blog post, and if I was to boost this, I ultimately would want to optimize this campaign for landing page views, because I want ultimately people to go to the Homes for Heroes blog and consume the content on this blog post. And the way that I would do that is optimize the objective for landing page views, but I only have the option to optimize it based on the link clicks, which will provide value, but it's not the value that I want out of my Facebook ad campaign. Now, if you were to generate conversions by boosting your Facebook post, you could do that, but the limitations with that is that you cannot optimize this objective based on a specific event. So within your Facebook Ads Manager, you have the ability to set up specific events that you want Facebook to optimize your conversion campaigns for. Now, you can see that the boosted post option does use your Facebook pixel, and it will use that pixel to optimize your campaign, but you don't have the ability to set a specific event that you want Facebook to optimize it for. And that's how using website purchases, or in our case, conversion, is really limiting. Now, you can certainly use post engagements to generate more engagement with this post. However, I'm going to always side on the fact that post engagements is really not the best use of your advertising dollars. It can be a good brand awareness play. However, brand awareness campaigns really only provide value to your business if you're creating sequential ad campaigns that capitalize off the brand awareness that you generate in your brand awareness campaigns. And to do so effectively, you really need to create the brand awareness campaigns and the sequential campaigns that capitalize off of your brand awareness campaigns in your Facebook Ads Manager. So you could certainly use post engagement, but I really don't think it's the best use of your advertising dollars. Next is the audience options. And the audience options that are available to you on the boosted post are very limiting. So if I toggle off special ad category, you can see that you have access to custom audiences, and you can even target people who like your page, and you can even target people who like your page and their friends. However, because we are in the housing industry, we have to toggle the special ad category on, and you can see all those options go away. We can only target people based off of the location and then based off of interest through detailed targeting. Now, detailed targeting is a viable option to narrow in on your target audience. However, if I wanted to get more detailed with my targeting and I had the ability to choose from custom audiences, special ad audiences, or detailed targeting would be my last resort. I would prefer to use a special ad audience or a custom audience, which is available to us in Facebook Ads Manager, but not available to us in the boosted post option. So you can see that the audience targeting is very limiting with the boosted post. Now, the third limitation is the duration and budget. Now, you can set the number of days that you want your Facebook ad campaign to run, and you can choose the date that you want it to end, but you don't have the ability to choose the days and hours that your Facebook ad campaign runs. Now, Facebook will optimize your campaign for the hours and the days that is performing the best. But for me personally, I like to run my Facebook ad campaign 6 a.m. to midnight, and I don't have the ability to control that within the boosted post. So there are limitations to the duration and the budget that you can control within the boosted post. So again, each one of these categories has their limitations. There's limitations to the objective, there are limitations to your audience, and there are limitations to the duration and the budget for your boosted post. And ultimately, those three limitations, I think, make a big impact on the performance of your Facebook ad campaign and the results that you ultimately want to get out of your Facebook ad campaign. All right, so let me show you a better way to promote your Facebook post using this alternative method that I've been talking about. So I'm going to choose to promote this great blog post on coronavirus resources for our heroes. But in order to promote this Facebook post, I'm going to want to get started from my Facebook Ads Manager. So I'll just go to my Facebook Ads Manager and click on this plus create green button in the top left-hand corner. And that will take me through the process of setting up a traditional Facebook ad campaign. So I'm just going to want to click on special ad category and make sure that housing is selected from the dropdown. And then I'm going to want to select the marketing objective. So you'll see right off the bat that you have access to much more options with your marketing objectives when you promote your Facebook post through your Facebook Ads Manager. So since I am promoting a blog post, I am going to want to select the marketing objective of traffic. And now I am just going to want to name this. So I'm going to name it Hero Ad Corona Virus Resources. And I'll say promoted blog post. And now I'll just want to copy this because I will want to name my ad set and add the same name. And now I'll want to make sure that the campaign budget optimization is turned on and then adjust my budget. So I'll just set this to $200. Have this set to lowest cost and then change this to run ads on a schedule. Now you can choose whether you want to run your ads all the time or on a schedule. Facebook will optimize your Facebook campaign based on the date and time that your campaign is performing the best. I just choose to run my ads on a schedule because that is my preference. So now we can select continue. And now we can name our ad set the same as we did our campaign. And you can see that you have additional options available to you within your Facebook Ads Manager as far as the destination that you want to drive this traffic to. So if you want to drive it to an app or a conversation on Messenger or WhatsApp, you could do that. I am going to use website because I want to drive people to read this blog post. Now, the next great benefit of using Facebook Ads Manager to promote your Facebook posts is that you have much more options in terms of your audience targeting. So you can target custom audiences or special ad audiences, and that's exactly what I want to do. I want to target people who have already engaged with Homes for Heroes. So I am going to choose to target people or heroes who have already submitted a lead form. So this is a huge benefit of actually promoting your Facebook post through Facebook Ads Manager. Now I'm just going to want to change this to people living in this location, and I'm going to want to select the area, and I'll just select Minneapolis, Minnesota. I can increase this radius to 50 miles if I wanted to. And now I can actually add in connections to my Facebook page as well. So I can actually target people who are connected to my page, and target people who are friends of those people. So I can just add in the page here, add in the page again here. So I am actually now targeting people who are connected to Homes for Heroes and their friends. So this is another option that's available to you through your Facebook Ads Manager. Now I can leave the placements to automatic. Facebook will optimize my ad campaign based on the placements it is performing the best. And the other huge benefit of promoting your Facebook posts through Facebook Ads Manager is that you can optimize your campaign based on landing page views. It's more than just link clicks. You have landing page views, impressions, or daily unique reach. Since I am promoting a blog post and my ultimate goal is to actually have people read this blog post and consume its content, I want to optimize my Facebook ad campaign for landing page views. Now, this is not available to you through the boosted button on the Facebook post. So, huge benefit of promoting your Facebook post through Facebook Ads Manager. Next, you can adjust the date of your campaign. I'm going to run it through the end of the month. So I'll change this to 11:59 p.m. And now you can dictate the days and times that your Facebook ad campaign actually runs. Again, this is not available to you through the boosted post. If you don't have a preference on the dates or the days and times that your campaign runs, then this really renders irrelevant to you. But I tend to prefer to run my campaign 6 a.m. through midnight, Monday through Sunday. So for me, this just gives me a little bit more control over when my Facebook ad campaign runs. Now I can click on continue, and I can name my ad the same as I did the ad set and the campaign. Now here is where you set up the Facebook post that you want to promote. So with a traditional Facebook ad campaign, you might include an image or a video and then insert text, and you would do that with create ad. But since we are promoting an existing Facebook post, we're going to want to select use existing post. And then you can select post here, and Facebook will give you a list of your Facebook posts to choose from. Now you could simply go through here and find the actual Facebook post that you want to promote, or there's another way that you could find it if it would be easier. So if you go back to your Facebook page and you find the post that you want to promote and you click on the timestamp, that will actually take you to the Facebook post. And if you just simply copy this set of numbers that follows the posts and the backslash, if you copy this set of numbers, this is the Facebook post ID number. So if you go back to your Facebook Ads Manager and paste that Facebook post ID number in here and click enter, Facebook will give you that specific post to choose from. And you just click on that and then click on continue, and Facebook will render that post in your campaign. Now, you do not have the ability to control the primary text or the headline or the description, but that's perfectly fine because all you're simply trying to do is promote this Facebook post that you already created. Now, the huge benefit of promoting this Facebook post is that you already have the social proof on the post. So Facebook will take all the social engagement from your Facebook post and transfer that over to your Facebook ad campaign. And that is a huge benefit in terms of social proof. People can see that others are finding value in this Facebook post. So once you have your Facebook post inserted into your campaign, you can choose whether you want to add a call to action or not. Now you can see that there is a call to action already included, and this is exactly the call to action that I want to include, the learn more with the link that I'm going to take it to. Now you could change it or you could remove it. It's certainly up to you and your preference. I personally like to include a call to action in my ad campaigns, so I am going to leave this exactly the way that it is. And once you have done that, all that you need to do to actually place your Facebook ad campaign and start promoting your Facebook post, all you need to do is click confirm. So yes, this alternative method does have a few additional steps to it, and it does take a little bit more time. But once you have gone through this process a few times and you become accustomed to it, the process becomes relatively intuitive and easy, and it should take you no time at all. And really, I compare this to sending your kids to the grocery store with and without a grocery list. Now, let's say that you send your kids to the grocery store to buy food. They're likely to go to the grocery store and get food, right? They might not bring back the items that you want. They're probably going to get whatever sounds appealing to them when they're going through the grocery store. Now, if you send your kids to the grocery store with a grocery list, they're more likely to return with the items that you want. And the boost button in this alternative method is no different. When you hit the boost button, you're sending Facebook to the grocery store to simply get you results. Now, they're going to come back with results, but they might not be the results that you want. Now, when you use this alternative method, you're sending Facebook to the grocery store with a list of results that you want. And Facebook is more likely to return the results that you're looking for in your advertising efforts. So I hope that you guys have found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like and make sure that you subscribe to the Homes for Heroes YouTube channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time we publish a new episode of Digital Dive with Homes for Heroes or any of the other great content coming out of the Homes for Heroes YouTube channel to help you grow your real estate or mortgage lending business. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon.